Sup lovely people, Kitty Joy here. And yes, we're now in London. And for goddamn reason, it's like really hot right now. Like, I mean, not like hot as in summer Australia hot, but it's like warm. And I'm like, I don't understand why is it this hot. Like, I thought it was gonna be at least chilly, but no, it's so warm that I'm not wearing a jacket. So yeah, I guess all my British friends are right. Anywho, this is just gonna be a short vlog, I guess, or a long one, I don't know what's gonna happen. But we're gonna be walking around some places, basically. Hamilton is tonight, so that's something that I'm looking forward to. And probably some little photography as well. I'm so sorry if my lighting is bad. I swear to God, vlogging on your iPhone is really hard. Monday morning, and this is the lovely view outside. Hello everyone. So this is the camera gear that I'm gonna be bringing. It's like less lenses and just one mirrorless camera, but it's alright. I'm glad that this bag existed. It's really handy dandy.
Demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost myself. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. Oh, wait, I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday.
end of this vlog of today. I don't know what else to say. I'm just gonna say it's quite a day. I'm really tired. Gonna be eating dinner soon at like 10 p.m. But yeah, so much has happened. Looking forward to the next day, which is tomorrow, and we'll see where it goes. So my name is Kitty Jaya out, and see you guys next time. Ciao.